So recently, I saw a post of someone who was talking about crypto and forex trading, and he said it has really messed up our mind in the sense that as a young person, if on a normal day you have less than $90, $90 is about 140 something thereabouts in Nigerian currency. If you have something giving you that, even if it's in a month, you will be to an extent you'll be happy. Yeah, this is something. But when you start trading crypto, when you start trading forex, and you have $90, you'll be like $90. $90 is small. $90 is little compared to all the figures you are seeing other people flaunting on social media, all the figures you are seeing other people posting, and all the figures you know yourself you can achieve. So he was trying to say crypto and forex trading has messed up our mind as an average person.
Let me show you something. Crypto trading has destroyed my life in a very way. I will just quickly play the video so that you will.
My dad gave me 2 million naira to start up something so that I can, start contributing since him himself is down. After we came back from the hospital on the 25th of December, the 27th, my dad gave me that money. I bought $1,000. I put it on my Bybit account, which you can see here in the screen. I tried to trade. First day I made $200. I thought it was going to be like that. Second day, I lost $200. That same day, I said, okay, let me scale it up, trying to be optimistic. I lost another 300, making 500. Leaving my account at 700. I stopped trading that day. I came back the next day, did my technical analysis. I entered. I think the mistake I did was I wasn't using stop loss because I just wanted to, scalp and get out of the market. The coin I was trading is called Cerebro. He wiped that account totally to $197. Right now, I don't know what to do.
Okay, so you see this. I'll just read some of the comments. There's one thing I was saying. There's one thing I was saying even before you brought up this comment. That's you trading an account. You are trading, then you now encounter a loss. The normal, the normal human being, the normal emotion that you have is to use a bigger loss size and revenge trade. And most time, always end in premium tiers. Okay, so let me just take some of the comments. You don't go into the market thinking of raising money. No. Instead, you should have a mindset of growing money. Like for what we saw now, he made $200 on the first day. There's what they call over trading. Like what he was saying, trading messes up your mind. Like which work would you do? And you expect $200 in how many hours? $200 is like 300K plus.
Yeah, 300.
So which work will you just do and just expect like 300K? You have zero experience, you are not the owner of the market, you just went into the market and you traded, you funded $100, you funded $1,000, you traded for some minutes and made $2,000, get out of the market. Get out of the market or trade, or since you have made that kind of gain. For me, I believe that's just luck. The first earning that you made, the first $200 you made, just luck. So since you have made that amount, just start using smaller lot size if you still want to continue trading. But there is this emotion that comes with forex. Once you start trading and you start with profit back to back to back, there is this tendency, there is this emotion, there is this adrenaline rush. You want to make more money.
You feel that's how it's going to continue.
You know your fun.
You made $200 sharp within 5 minutes. You feel like if I can make $200, yes, in 5 minutes, I can multiply it. Maybe in the next 1 hour, I will be something close to $1,000. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. But most people, they have to learn the hard way.
Yes.
They learn the hard way.
Let me read another comment. You no learn, you wan end, you go cry. Okay, this is another one. Desperation without guide and focus leads to frustration. If it went well, you go still lose all. Because the truth is, you don't have a plan, you don't have a strategy. Okay, of course, you hear that people are cashing out, but those people they have strategies. I have my own strategies, and I've always said this. I don't trade with any account less than $100. I trade with $150 and above. But anything that will make me to trade with anything less than that amount, I don't always do that. Then I have my own strategy, and once I hit my goal, I get out of the market. Let me read another comment. It's funny how these people want to make money in a rush when they haven't learned and mastered the system. Keep gambling, you go cry. Another person say, bro, don't give up. Another person say, worst mistake you made, sorry, don't trade with your life savings or what you cannot afford to lose. Although this one, I don't really agree with this totally. Because on many occasions I've traded with my life savings, and most of the time I ended up doubling it. But again, I have my strategy. So if you know that you are just beginning, you have not developed a strategy, you have not been consistent over time, just don't trade with your life savings.
Bro, in a way. In fact, in all ways, don't trade with your life savings. Because yes, I also saw a post Pastor Manuel Iron made on that. Trade with the amount you can afford to lose. For example, you earn something like 150k. If you can afford to lose just 15k, that's 10%. That's what you should trade with. $15. Let's say you have $15. You shouldn't trade with the whole amount, because when you lose it, you have no hope of anything coming before the end of the month. That's if you're a monthly earner. Before the end of the month, you are finished.
Bro, I'll tell you, if it's a trend that you are consistent with and something that you are used to, put your life savings on it. You double the account.
Put your life savings on it. You are on your own. Just anything happen, just go to the comment section. I will be there to read your story. But apart from that, take my advice, bro.
See, I'm telling you, like, if you have money you're not using, even if you want you to pay your rent, you want you to pay school fees, as long as you have been trading and you have a strategy and you will use the required, put it there, double the account.
I'm sure you want to see the end. I'm not sure this person put the end of the video here. What happened after his money went? I'm sure you will want to see the end. If you cannot wait to see the end, you can be the end. Use your story for the end. Try it.
Let me read another comment. Sorry, bro. This one is coming from Euphoria Beauty. Sorry, bro. What loss size do you use? How long have you tested your trading strategy? Trading is not gambling. That's another very important information. Trading is not gambling. We have had this talk so many times, but the truth is trading and gambling, they are different.